15 English mistakes that Japanese people often make. Perfect for beginners and kids. Katakana English 3. Love, emotions. Your tension is high. That sounds strange in English. What is the natural expression? I am excited. I am excited. You are love. That expression is not used. How do you say it in English? They are very affectionate. They are very affectionate. It was miscommunication. That sounds unnatural. What is the correct expression? It was a misunderstanding. It was a misunderstanding. She walks on the Virgin Road. That does not sound natural. What do people say at weddings? It is the wedding aisle. It is the wedding aisle. It is a heartful movie. That word is uncommon. What sounds natural? It is heartwarming. It is heartwarming. It is one pattern. That meaning is unclear. What should I say? It is predictable. It is predictable. Let's have a cool time. That sounds unnatural in English. How do you say calm down? Please calm down. Please calm down. I did image change. That does not work well. What is the English word? I got a makeover. I got a makeover. My charm point is my eyes. English uses another phrase. What is a natural way to say it? My attractive feature. My attractive feature. Please no touch. That means something different. How should I say it? Please keep your hands off. Please keep your hands off. I will pace down. That expression is uncommon. What sounds natural? I will slow down. I will slow down. This is my fighting pose. That meaning is too broad. What about in boxing? It is a boxing stance. It is a boxing stance. He is skinhead. That word can sound offensive. What is a safer expression? He has a shaved head. He has a shaved head. I will go to a live house. That is hard to understand. What do people say in English? It is a music venue. It is a music venue. I like bitter chocolate. That sounds slightly unnatural. What is the common expression? It is dark chocolate. It is dark chocolate. It is a music venue. It is a music venue. It is dark chocolate. It is dark chocolate. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.